mystery company accidentally blew $500 million on Claude AI in a single month, failed to put usage limit on licensees for employees. A new report claims AI is getting too expensive for big companies. Also, for people that are not deep into the lore as we are, there are some rumors this might be Amazon, but this is what we mean is, hey, Anthropic's got this run rate of 47 billion annual recurring revenue, and they're about to IPO. But bridging into that, are they actually making that much money, or is it really a poor planning exercise on the part of the enterprises? As I say that, enterprises never plan well after having worked for some enterprises. So actually, it's that I think like just based on my experience, probably really high on tech executives don't know what to do with this. Like they don't know how to budget for it. They don't know how to optimize things. We're seeing things like token maxing leaderboards, which obviously lead to blow up $500 million month spend on your tokens. So clearly the industry's got to figure out some costs and controls and attribution and stuff like that so that this doesn't happen. So do I think that their run rate is largely magnified by things like this, that $47 billion? And then further, do I think it will keep growing? I think probably yes, but I also think it'll keep growing. That's my thought. I think there's just so much surface area of market that they haven't captured yet. And that's why they're activating these enterprise consultant ventures to deploy their technologies, the frontier labs, into enterprises. I think it's probably a yes and a yes. Like it's a ballooned a little bit, but I still think the TAM is so big that they still have more to go, even if the balloon pops a little bit.
And I guess the wisdom has been that their supply is constrained, that they have way too much demand for their supply anyway, so that they're just going to be able to sell as much supply as they can sell for the foreseeable future anyway.
I listened to different podcasts, and earlier this week, it was reported that Claude Code downloads had reached over 1.5 million a day. And, some of that is like, personal agents setting up their own Claude Code, that kind of thing. Maybe not like real humans. If we're at 1.5 million in a day, then if we have 8 billion people in the world, like at some point we're going to saturate. But that is an interesting number. That's increased from the few 100,000 that was earlier this year, I believe.
Yeah, it's incredible.
Yeah. So demand is definitely still there, is what we're saying, even with this token budget optimization problem phenomena.
Yeah. Think about all the people who didn't write software before that now write software. Yes. I've heard, one informed estimate said there might be 10x the number of developers today, or on the way to 10x as there were before, because you have people that like used to write code, but don't anymore. Now it's easier so that they will. They have a few people that always wanted to write code, but like these stupid tools got in the way. You don't have to worry about that. You have designers, product managers, people on the periphery of using code, all getting pulled in. Everybody's empowered. So yeah, no doubt the number of Claude code downloads is going up. They're creating a new market for it. It's cool.